You can collaborate on shared Office 365 files in Teams once you've uploaded them to chat. To collaborate on a file in a chat, you can click on it in either the Chat tab or the Files tab. When you click on Files, they will open as editable documents in the Teams canvas. Once you're in the document, you can edit it just as you would any other file, by adding, amending and deleting text, images, and other content. You can also see others who are currently editing the file, along with any live changes that they make. Alongside editing the document, you also have the option of opening the chat to continue your conversation whilst editing or to review conversation history where you might have some suggested changes. To do this in a document you're editing within Teams, click the Conversation button at the top right of the canvas to open the chat panel.